Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today in English grammar we are going to use the words yesterday, today and tomorrow. Learn here about the words yesterday, today and tomorrow. So here is my chart. Let's see how we're going to see today, yesterday and tomorrow. Today is Tuesday. So yesterday will be Monday or yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. I am ill today. I was ill yesterday. I shall be ill tomorrow. Today is 25th December. So yesterday was 24th December and tomorrow will be 26th December. I am at home today. They were in Mumbai yesterday. I shall be at home tomorrow. They are in Patna today. They were in Kolkata yesterday. They will be at home tomorrow. So what we are doing for today, it is present, that we are talking about the present day. For yesterday, we are talking about the past day which already had gone, and tomorrow, that is future, which is going to be there the next day. So answer the following questions, some random questions. Yesterday was 2nd October. What is the date today? The last previous day was 2nd October. So what is the date today? So today is 3rd October. Tomorrow will be Sunday. What is the day today? So today is Monday. This is the month of March. What is the last month? It is, last month was February. Next year I will be 8 years old. How old I was last year? So task for you all. So what was yesterday? So you will be writing date and day. For today, what is today? Again date and day. And what is tomorrow? What will going to be tomorrow? That is date and day again. You have to write it. Your present time. Hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment in the comment box how do you like the task, and finish your task and complete. Give it a screenshot and send it back to me.